Hello, my dear student of second prep. Today we will talk about projection. Projection as something drop from the sky to the land. So the projection of a point of a straight line. If I have straight line L and point A outside the straight line. So if point A drop to the straight line L is a land, and point A is something drop from sky to the land. So point A, if drop to straight line L as a perpendicular to point A dash. So the projection of point A is A dash, and it must be a perpendicular. If I have a point B lies on the straight line, so what's the projection of point B on the straight line L? If the point lies on the straight line, so its projection as the same point B dash. So if the point A outside the straight line, so we draw a perpendicular line to the straight line L to A dash. So the projection of line segment on a straight line. The line segment has two terminals, point A and point B. If we want to determine the projection of line segment AB on the straight line L, so we drop the 2 points A and B perpendicular. It must be a perpendicular. So the point A drop to point A dash and make a perpendicular, and point B will drop to a point B dash and also make a perpendicular. So the projection of point of line segment AB will be A dash and B dash. Okay, and it must be a perpendicular. So angle A dash is a right angle, and angle B dash is a right angle. Okay. This is a projection of a line segment. If I have a line segment AB, so I need to determine the projection of line segment AB on the straight line L. We determine the projection of its terminal, point A, its projection A dash, and point B lies on the straight line, so the projection of point B is itself B. So the projection of line segment AB is A dash B. Okay. Because the point B lies on the straight line, so its projection is the same point B. Okay. The line segment AB is perpendicular to the straight line L. So the projection of line segment AB, we will determine the two projection of its two terminals. Point A, the projection of point A is B, and the projection of point B is the same point B. So the projection of line segment AB is the point B, because the 2 points A and B, its projection is point B. So if the line segment perpendicular to the straight line, so its projection is a point. Next one, the projection of line segment AB on the straight line L. So we will make two projection of two terminals. Point A, its projection A dash, and point B, its projection will be B dash. Like this. A dash and B dash. Okay, and it must be perpendicular. Each point the line drawn from the point to the line segment must be a perpendicular تمام on the line segments. So point A, it's projection A dash, and point B is A dash. Okay. Next one, if I have line segments AB parallel to straight line L. So the projection of line segments will be determined by the projection of two terminals. Point A is the projection of point A will be A dash, and projection of point B will be B dash. And if the line segments parallel to the straight line, so the length of projection equals the length of original line segments. So AB, the length of AB equals the length of A dash B dash, and the projection of AB is A dash B dash. Some examples: the projection of AD on CD. So the line segment the line segment AD, you see the line segment AD, I need to determine its a projection on the straight line CD. So the CD is a length, and line segment AD, it's two terminals, point A and point D. So the projection of point A is point C, and the projection of point D is itself point D because it lies on the straight line. So the projection of AD on CD is line segment CD. Okay. Another example. The projection of AC, you see AC, yes, line segment AC on the straight line CD. AC is a perpendicular to the line segment CD. So its projection will be a point, is a point C, because a line segment AC, it's the projection of its terminals. Point A is a projection of point A is C, and the projection of point C is the same C. Okay, so the projection of a line segment AC on a straight line CD is a point C. You must determine the line segment which need to determine its projection, and the straight line to be determine it correctly. The projection of AC on the AC line segments on a straight line AB. AC line segments, it has two terminals, A and C. So the projection of point A is the same point A, and the projection of point C is a point B. So the projection of line segment AC on a straight line AB is a line segment AB. Okay. It's very important to determine the projection of line segment on a straight line because we will need it. We will use it in next lesson, inshallah. Thank you.